Okay, this is Kenny Keel. I'm testing my Motohorn 3.0. I have it wired directly to the battery, well, just to the negative right now, and I'm connecting the positive right now. It gave me a spark earlier when I did this, so I'm hoping I don't ruin my system at your insistence. Nothing's happening. Okay. So that's number one, and this got pretty hot too. So now I'm going to switch leads. So now it's opposite, negative and positive, like y'all told me to do. And nothing's happening. It is connected. It's broken. The compressor is bad.